Imagine swimming alongside a creature that might be older than your entire family tree, maybe even your country. Picture the ancient silent depths where this majestic being roams, a living relic of a time long past. In the freezing depths of the North Atlantic lives the Greenland shark, an animal that is as old as 500 years. These waters, cold and dark, are home to one of the longest living vertebrates on Earth. Let that sink in for a second. 5 centuries of silent swimming, witnessing the world change above the waves. This shark was alive before Shakespeare wrote a single play, before most of modern civilization even existed. It has seen the rise and fall of empires, the birth of nations, and the evolution of countless species. Before this discovery, the record for the oldest known vertebrate was held by a bowhead whale, estimated to be around 211 years old. Bowhead whales, found in Arctic waters, were thought to be the longest living oceanic animals, with unique resilience to cold environments and age-related diseases. Now let's get into how did scientists even figure this out about Greenland sharks' age? Well, aging a Greenland shark isn't as simple as looking at tree rings or counting scales. These sharks don't have bones that work the way fish bones do, so scientists had to get creative. Scientists literally looked into the shark's eyes, not romantically, but for a purpose. At the center of a Greenland shark's eye lens, there's protein that formed while it was still developing in its mother's womb. By using radiocarbon dating on these proteins, researchers traced the shark's age. The findings were astonishing. So, what's their secret? How do these ancient creatures manage to live such incredibly long lives, spanning centuries? Greenland sharks grow incredibly slowly, just a few centimeters each year, which is a stark contrast to many other marine species that grow much faster. They inhabit the coldest parts of the ocean, where temperatures can drop to near freezing. That cold environment slows everything down, including their metabolism and aging process. But there's a downside to this slow pace of life. They don't reach maturity until they're around 150 years old, which is an incredibly long time compared to other species. Think about that, taking a century and a half just to reach adulthood. It's a remarkable adaptation to their harsh, frigid environment, ensuring their survival over millennia. But here's the issue. With such a slow growth rate, these sharks are vulnerable. Many have been caught accidentally by fishing operations, and climate change is slowly warming their habitat. For a creature that's survived for hundreds of years, human activity is now one of its biggest threats. It's humbling to think that creatures like the Greenland shark, ancient and mysterious, have been quietly enduring for centuries, witnessing the world evolve in ways we can scarcely imagine. From the depths of the ocean, they have seen the rise and fall of countless species. They remind us that while life is resilient, it's also incredibly fragile. These ancient beings are a testament to the delicate balance of our ecosystems, and we have a profound responsibility to protect these hidden worlds before it's too late. Every action we take today shapes the future of these underwater realms. The past lives on in the ocean depths. Let's make sure it has a bright and sustainable future. For more informative videos, subscribe to Deep Sheet and always remain curious.